Hi folks, I went down to the Secret River and tested a little bit yesterday. I only had a few hours, 3-4 hours I had, and I tried a new spot. Now, I didn't find oodlings of gold, but I did find some spots and some more interesting spots, somewhere I will definitely go back to and try, but I'll not blah 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 and go on. What I will say, with the 200 subscriber giveaway, what I'm also going to put in is one of these, a loop with a light. I'll add that to the 10 bucket washout, and the 10 bucket washout will be better than what I found here today. But there is gold at the end, and there's some real gold at the end, and you'll see what I mean. Right at the end, it's the final, and it's gold. Nice to be nice.
So that's the first really interesting part. Could be strange. It's what's coming around the corner there, so there could be gold on that corner, and if it's coming across here, the deposits are off in this side, so I'm going to try there. But there's also this little gravel bank here, which is deposited, mostly sand, but it's gravels as well, so well worth trying. And that's bedrock under my feet. There's a dip in here, so just worth trying all the way along there. Which is going to like waterfalls and drops. Again, more bedrock. And there's another drop here, which again gets quite deep here. Not quite up to my knees, but it's near there. And this could be worth pumping out if there's anything deposited in it, as in rocks. If there ain't no rocks, the gold will usually wash straight out. But again, this bank, I'm just looking myself. Say I walked up here last time, but I didn't really have a good look. I did look at film. This corner. I'm going to start with that waterfall down there. See if that brings anything. One piece, it's there. It's out of that part of bank, out of this bank. Focus. Focus. That's just out of here. 2 shovels, 1 pan. Still going to check this out. Might be worth checking that side. Probably water blasting around there, because what you're going to think about is eye water, not when it's running like this. Although there is depositing rocks on that side. But I'll check that out, because I do like the bigger bits, and that's where bigger bits tend to hide in these drops. And I'll do another couple of pans. I'll try the pan right at back edge and see if we start picking any numbers up. I'm happy with 1 or 2. I've got 3 hours, so you know what I mean. So second pan, second piece. It's there, very small, but right up there on that bank there. So what I'm guessing that's happening is what's coming round here. It's hitting this outcrop here, swirling gold into here, this deposit. It's still not to say that there's not some good stuff in there, so what I'm going to do now is test that and clean that out, see what's in there, and I'll probably sluice this little bank here. Once set sluice up and run that, there'll be a few bits in there. Shame to leave it, take the easy stuff while I'm here. I might have a look down there after. That could be interesting on that side there, where them rocks are. But see how far I get. That waterfall doesn't go under, you know what I mean? Sort of slips out like that. There's some rocks, you see, just leave some out. Took 3 pans, nothing. So I'm going to run some sluices here, set my sluice up there so it runs down into that. Hopefully I won't be pooping in my own bed. There's nothing down there, it don't matter if it's covered in tailings. And I'll probably say I'll run this little bank, see what I can get through. So that's how I've set it up. I've put the branch up just to lift back end up a bit. Still a little bit steep, but exchange is working alright. And I just put a couple of shovels through to test it, and there's already gold at that. Down there, somewhere. So I didn't even sieve it, I just chucked it through. But that's quite small, so I might just direct shovel that. So I decided to do buckets. Reason being is by the time I've walked from there shovel to shovel, I may as well fill 2 buckets that stand up there comfy and shovel it in at a better rate. So it's running faster than I usually, like I say, and it's a little bit steeper than I usually run it. So I'm hopefully catching gold. I'm seeing nothing in that apart from that first spot that I showed before, and that's moved. So I'm hoping it's a carpet somewhere like that. But we'll see. I'll run a few more and see what that looks like, if anything. And if it doesn't look good, then it doesn't look good. That's it. So I've done me 10 buckets. It's not looking brilliant. It's not even looking good. There are a few possibilities in there that might be gold, but light's not very good. So, a couple of little pieces down here. In fact, in camera it probably looks a bit more gold than white. So I'm going to clean it out and look, and it's starting to get deeper here. So there could be a chance that there's some decent stuff down there. I've only got another hour left, so I might do a test pan, or a couple of test pans out of there. And I'm also going to test here in front of this waterfall, because there's a deposit here, and if it's coming across here, maybe, because that sort of goes up that way, maybe there'll be some bigger stuff here on bed, because it gets a bit deeper here from where I'm stood now. It's a little bit deeper. And there could be stuff dropping out in here before it gets over to that bank, and lighter stuff's dropping up there. I mean, I'm trying, you know, you've got to think like the gold, maybe. But I'll clean it out and see what's in it. So, top mat, that's 6 or 7 little specks. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Not the 8 or 9. It's tiny, as you can see my finger. That's about the biggest bit. I'm hoping that because I was running sluice a bit faster, or it was running a bit faster than I like it, that it's got trapped in carpet, and there might be more in carpet. Let's have a look. So, it might be about the same again. Not a lot. So there's gold in that bank, but not a lot. I'll have a few test pans just forward of there and see if I can find out. As I say, I've only got an hour now, so I'll see what I can get in an hour. Well, I ain't got much time. I did a couple of buckets, and then I just put direct shoveled about, I don't know, 15 shovels, 10-15 shovels. So I'm going to clean it out. There's an half decent piece there. Now, I'll just show you. It goes down quite deep here to this nice bedrock stuff. There's not going to be anything on that side. I did do a pump or two to test, but I'm assuming, like I said, it's coming round there and depositing here, swirling, and then swirling that lighter stuff off there. Hopefully bigger stuff's down here in this. So next time I come up here I might have a proper dig, a proper test out around here. I'll clean that out and see what's in it. I don't expect much in that. Hopefully some of it's caught in carpet. As I say, I don't like direct shoveling too much just because of the rocks bump everything down. But that's my personal preference. Well, looks like just that one piece held it mat. So hopefully there's some in carpet. As I say, I'm not right down here, I'm still cleaning up the garden. And when I get down on that bedrock, if there's anything, that's where it should be sat. So guys, pretty miserable. 2 tiny little pieces. There was 2 pieces in top mat. I did find another piece, I washed it back again. But I'll wash this through again just to check. But well, there might be 3 pieces. There we go, another tiny piece. Got caught up under littles. But there's a lot of steel and stuff in there, and I did pull up quite a lot of glass out, so I think this here is more promising than that over there, especially if it chances some bigger stuff. So if I do get a chance to come back, depending on weather, I think this weekend's going to be crap, then I might come down and do a bit more, or at least do some more testing up and around and about that corner there, for instance. I haven't done anything on that yet. So guys, that's the result. The 2 bigger bits were out of that second washout. There were 2 bits that were in matte. I only showed one, but there was another piece I washed it through again. And there were only a couple of 3 little tiny pieces in actual carpet. So at rest, what I picked up were in first washout. There's a few little bits up here and all. And there were 3 pieces I washed it, just panning. But where I panned at second place, that's where I'm going to go back to, in front of the waterfall, because they're bigger pieces, and I should imagine I didn't have a proper good guide to go, and my daughter, well, the kids, all 3 kids running races in the local village, and my daughter won gold first in the village, 2 years on trot, so I'm quite impressed, I'm very pleased, so that's worth more than that.
Hop, 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 hop.